Here's a real quick trade I took this morning. I got up and I was a little late. I saw we had a big drop off from the news, reading Bloomberg on all the stats of things that are going south, and especially the Greek government is now underwater with its massive debt. Kind of foretells us what might happen in the U.S. But basically, when I saw this flattening and everything down, all the ergodics were down and the short term was underneath. This stopped, and when this turned purple, I got in short at 1191.50. I wrote it down to 1190 and watched for a bounce. Now generally this would be a profit-taking bounce. Stayed in till I got the second bounce down here at 89.50. So 91.50 to 89.50 was 2 points. Now at that point I got up, walked away, got my tea, came back and saw that we were butting up against the 49 moving average. Now I will tell you that I took a short right here on this first red number at 1190 and a quarter. It bounced down, bounced back up to 1191.50, and I was tempted to get out because the moving averages and everything. I was not even really looking at the ergodic indicator here. But then when it turned around there, I was back to break even at 1190 and followed it down to about 1188, where I figured I had enough profit and I got out. Now if we look at what happened after that, it hit a bottom right here and then started back up and started wandering around. So I am now sitting here waiting for another opportunity. I could have waited for this to go up and back down again, but it had already come down a couple times. And if you look at the longer time frame, hang on here. The longer time frame, I'll expand this a little bit. You see it dropped originally from the open, and then the longer time frame we got in basically up here around just before this bounce off the midpoint of the second support, and the target was the second support. So it was a good time to get out. Right now it's 10:05, and I'm waiting for another move to see if we'll go to the first support, or whether we'll bounce and go short again. Right now the indicators tell me that we are probably going to go up to the first support. So I hope this helps. This is Bill McCready for Futures Trading Secrets.